What's going on, guys? I got another little life lesson for you. I think it could be a game changer for you. Hang around, hit that subscribe button. I'll be right back. What's going on, guys? Art here off the Dope BD Group. Thanks for stopping by. Hope all is well with you and your day. What I wanted to share with you is just another one of my quick little life lessons. I know you say, oh, no, not again. He's going to rant for, God knows how long. But it's not going to be that long. What I want to talk about is something that I recently just had refocused for me by way of a book. And it's called Living in the Now. Right here, right now, what's going on. And the book that kind of brought it back home for me it's called Living in the Now by Eckhart Tolle. And it's a great book, but it kind of reiterated what I already knew. So we need to be conscious. We need to be in the present. We don't need to be in the past. There's an old saying, you can't walk forward looking backwards. You'll run into something or what have you. But we need to be conscious and present in the here and in the now. And in doing that, it allows us to move forward and focus on what really matters, which is right here, right now. And to that point, you watching this video right now, and for that much, me making this video right now, the only thing that really matters right now is me making it right now and you watching it whenever you're watching it, if that makes any sense to you. So that means whatever problems you have, whatever may be going on with you, obviously there's somebody that's better than you, better off than you. There's also somebody else that's worse off than you. Whatever your problems are, as you sit and watch this right here, right now, you're living, you're breathing, you're in a good space, you're watching this video. Whatever's going on with you doesn't matter at this very moment. That does not say that you don't plan for the future and move towards the future and things that you want to do. But what it means is you put things in place and you put them out there and you put the plan, you work your plan. If you don't plan, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. There, I got it out. That's it. Simple. Work on where you are. Whatever it is that you're doing, start from right where you are and make it happen. So that's all I have today. So anyway, that's it. That's all. I'll link the book down below. Again, Eckhart Tolle, Living in the Now. It's a great book. It's a good read. If you've read it already, leave me some comments below. Let me know what you think. So anyway, that's it. That's all I have today. As always, like, comment, follow, and share. Hope you have a good day. Peace.